Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Infinix Note 40X 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, so press and hold the power button. Now tap to power off the smartphone. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the power and volume up button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. Now release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. And you can see XOS no command. Now here press the power and volume up button to go in Android recovery mode. Now you are in Android recovery mode. Now here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And guys, read it carefully. Wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Now here go to factory data reset and confirm. Okay, data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after a hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after a hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Infinix Note 40X 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.